here we are in front of Pinkie, who's leaving today, hopefully. And we just sold it. So the new owner, Harley, from
California.
whereabouts?
Northern California.
Northern California. What do you think of your purchase so far?
Well, of course they're gonna love it.
And then Bob McKay over here is the expert on all things Lancair.
Well, don't know about expert, but I know we needed one of these. And if you're a Lancair owner or maintainer, keep your nose gear gas spring in good shape, because that's
Right.
what allows you to put the nose gear down if your hydraulics aren't working 100%.
Right. And one little bit of advice is prior to doing your annual or inspection is test the emergency deploy. Because in this case, we found out on the test flight after purchase, it could have been caught on one of our preceding annual inspections. So he's replacing the gas spring that allows the nose gear to deploy against the airflow. While we're here by the airplane, I'm going to show you the contraption that Bob has invented. It's a jack system that comes in two parts, and it packs up nicely, and it provides clearance for the landing gear, and we'll see that in a moment. But pretty nifty gear jack system. This is one way of holding the airplane down at the rear.
Down.
Do you have a website for these?
Not yet. Right now you can find them on Facebook Marketplace or Lancair Talk.
Okay. Facebook Marketplace or Lancair Talk for these. And
LancairTalk.net.
.net. What are you calling these?
Lancair Jacks.
Lancair Jack. So
It's
those are
creative
keywords.
name, I know.
Because pilots have no sense of humor, so you got to take things literally, right?
That's right.
No, we do have a sense of humor. On the ground, anyway. Not in the air. And look how it comes apart. Wow, that easy.
And it has a storage place for the wrench.
Nice. And it's designed so that it clears the door, the gear. So you can see it looks like a tripod, but just on one side.
Because the gear door has to fold down right here, so an ordinary three-legged tripod doesn't fit.
Right.
And they're $500 plus shipping.
There you go. So reach out to Bob. You can choose your color paint.
$10 extra for your own color of paint, or
Okay.
I don't know, $500 extra.
Harley, are you gonna get a pink set
for galvanized.
to match the airplane?
If I have to drive to the hardware store and buy a can of paint, then
Also, that way if they're pink, nobody's gonna wanna borrow them, so they won't disappear, right? So I don't know how to do this. I'm trying to show why, one of the reasons I decided to never really fly this was because I'm 6'2". Yeah, probably 6'2". 6'1", let's say 6'1". 6'1" and full of fun. And one of the reasons is you'll be able to see here is that's where my head is, and I'm long in the body. I'm not going to go any lower than that, but just to say, trust me, my body is very long. And basically, I don't really fit very well in this airplane. Not comfortably, anyway. So there you can see with some perspective, Harley's behind me. He's the new owner, and he's going to fit fine in it. But I don't recommend it for people who are more than 6 foot.
that far from the top.
So Pinkie has 3
Any more than
tanks.
that, it'll settle
The header,
down.
where you can fill it up.
It'll
I
dump
think
out.
that might be unique to this one. And then 2
You
in
may or
the
may not smell it when it does.
So this is how you get into the airplane. Harley likes to take his shoes off.
You trick.
Is that Scandinavian style or Japanese style where you take your shoes off?
Yes. Scandinavian style is for winter clothes.
So how does it feel being two in there? Well, you've already flown anyway, right, Harley, with Mike? So.
Yeah, Mike's a little bigger, so. God damn it.
The trick sometimes is the little slotted things get caught before they're far enough on to latch the other thing. You'll get used to it. Gear switches down. Master's on. Fuel gauges say 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. That's about where we want it. We'll monitor the main and we'll take off on the main.
All right, see you later, guys.
Okay. Canopy closed.
Enjoy. Yeah, that's because they know I'm filming, so it makes them nervous. Bye-bye, Pinkie. Wind just died, so calm wind now. Look at that saw just spinning. Are they ready yet? They just completed their run up. In the background you can see the trucks are tearing up runway 3517. Uh-oh. He's coming back. What happened? Not sure what's going on. He taxied to a position over there. And go the wrong way.
think they went the wrong way. Supposed to taxi over there. That's okay. We all make mistakes. Oops.
There he is.
All right. Second try. A little unfamiliar with this airport. My guess is he thought you had to taxi via the ramp, but there is a taxiway over there. And you can hear it backfiring because he's probably running it a little too rich. There you go. And so they're going to have him taxi all the way down to runway 4. That's what made him confused. So we're at 5,800 feet, and it's a nice warm day. So you need to lean pretty substantially. Most sea level guys won't realize how to do that until they're at cruising altitude. But here you gotta lean before you do anything, otherwise it backfires, runs too rich, can foul the plugs. On a hot sunny day like this, you're probably the equivalent of 9,000 feet density altitude. Actually, that's probably a little bit of an exaggeration, but middle of summer it is. They are all the way down there. It's a long runway. It's almost a mile long, I think, maybe more. There we go. I can hear the engine in the distance. Wow, that was a short takeoff. Off they go. Bye-bye, Albuquerque.
Go ahead, contact them 123.9.